Are you tired of those creepy crawlies invading your home, making your skin crawl and your nights restless? You won't believe the natural solutions lurking right in your pantry that can send cockroaches and bedbugs packing for good. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we're uncovering 5 powerful remedies that are not only safe and effective but will have you saying goodbye to pests without the need for toxic chemicals. These remedies are easy to use, incredibly effective, and best of all, completely natural. You won't want to miss this. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our tips and tricks for a healthier, safer, and happier home. Today, we're diving into a problem that's all too common: cockroaches and bedbugs. But don't worry, we've got your back with 5 natural remedies that are proven to work. Let's get started. Cockroaches and bedbugs are among the most resilient pests out there. They invade our homes, hide in the smallest cracks, and reproduce at an alarming rate. Traditional pest control methods often involve harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your health and the environment. But what if I told you that you could get rid of these pests using natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen or garden? It's true. These remedies are not only effective but also safe for your family and pets. Now, let's delve into each remedy and how you can use them to reclaim your home from these unwelcome guests. Remedy 1: Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is truly one of nature's best kept secrets for pest control. This fine, white powder may look harmless, but to cockroaches and bedbugs, it's nothing short of lethal. Derived from the fossilized remains of tiny, ancient aquatic organisms, diatomaceous earth works by physically damaging the exoskeletons of insects. When pests crawl through the powder, its microscopic sharp edges cut through their protective outer layer, causing them to dehydrate and die within hours. What makes diatomaceous earth even more appealing is that it's non-toxic to humans and pets when using the food-grade variety. To maximize its effectiveness, apply a thin layer of diatomaceous earth along baseboards, in cracks and crevices, and around areas where you've noticed pest activity. Be patient, though it might take a few days. You'll start noticing a significant decrease in pest sightings as they encounter this deadly barrier. After a week or so, vacuum up the powder and any dead insects, and reapply as necessary until your home is pest-free. Remedy 2: Baking soda and sugar. Who would have thought that the humble baking soda, a kitchen staple, could become a powerful weapon against cockroaches? This simple yet ingenious remedy capitalizes on the cockroach's sweet tooth. By mixing baking soda with sugar, you create an irresistible bait that lures these pests in. Once ingested, the baking soda reacts with the acids in the cockroach's stomach, producing gas that their bodies cannot expel. This ultimately leads to internal pressure that kills them from within. It's a slow but sure method, and best of all, it's safe for homes with children and pets since baking soda is non-toxic. To use this remedy, simply mix equal parts baking soda and sugar, then sprinkle the mixture along areas where cockroaches are known to roam. Be strategic, place it in dark corners, behind appliances, and under sinks. The sweet scent will draw them in, and before long, you'll notice a significant reduction in the cockroach population in your home. Remedy 3: Essential oils. Essential oils aren't just for aromatherapy, they're potent weapons in the fight against pests, especially bedbugs. Scents like lavender, tea tree, and peppermint are naturally repellent to these unwelcome intruders, making them a fantastic, non-toxic alternative to chemical sprays. Bedbugs rely heavily on their sense of smell to navigate and find hosts, so when you introduce these strong scents, you effectively disrupt their ability to function. Beyond just repelling bedbugs, essential oils can kill them on contact, particularly when used in high concentrations. To harness the power of essential oils, create a spray by mixing 10 to 15 drops of your chosen oil with water in a spray bottle. Liberally spray your mattress, bed frame, and any other areas where bedbugs might be hiding. Not only will this method help to eliminate the bugs, but it will also leave your home smelling fresh and clean. Reapply every few days to maintain the protective barrier, and you'll soon notice that the bedbugs are staying far away. Remedy 4: Boric acid. Boric acid is a tried and true remedy that has been used for decades to combat cockroaches. This naturally occurring compound is lethal to these pests because it attacks their digestive system, causing severe dehydration and eventual death. When a cockroach ingests boric acid, it acts like a poison, disrupting the insect's metabolism and leading to a slow but certain demise. One of the advantages of boric acid is that it's odorless and doesn't leave behind the harsh chemical residue that many commercial insecticides do. To use boric acid effectively, sprinkle a light dusting in areas where cockroaches are likely to travel, think under sinks, behind appliances, and along baseboards. However, a word of caution: while boric acid is less toxic to humans and pets than synthetic pesticides, it should still be used with care, especially in homes with small children and pets. Make sure to apply it in places that are out of their reach. With consistent use, you'll notice a dramatic decrease in cockroach activity as they succumb to this natural killer. Remedy 5. Neem oil. Neem oil is a natural insecticide with a long history of use in traditional medicine and agriculture, and it's particularly effective against both bed bugs and cockroaches. Extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, this oil contains compounds that interfere with the life cycle of insects, preventing them from feeding, reproducing, and developing. Neem oil works as both a repellent and a killer. When pests come into contact with it, they either die or are forced to flee. The beauty of neem oil is that it's safe for humans and pets, making it an excellent choice for households looking for a natural solution. To use neem oil against bed bugs, dilute it with water and spray it directly on your mattress, bed frame, and any other infested areas. Reapply every few days to ensure you're targeting any newly hatched bugs before they have a chance to multiply. For cockroaches, apply the oil in areas where they're most active, and you'll soon see them start to disappear from your home. And there you have it, 5 natural remedies to take back control of your home from cockroaches and bed bugs. Not only are these methods effective, but they're also safe for you, your family, and the environment. So why not give them a try? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be dealing with the same problem. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks to make your life easier and healthier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.